So welcome to class. My name is Wisdom. As you know, I'm a digital marketing specialist, and this is one of the tools I use for designing different assets I use. I am going to be showing you how to use Canva to design different assets for your business. Okay, so it's very easy, very simple. Have a Canva account already. All you just need to do is sign in, log in. If you don't have a Canva account, all you need to do is go to canva.com. Once you get to canva.com, it's going to give you a pop-up for sign up or for login. Since you don't have an account, please sign up. And you just need to input is your email and your password. Then it might share you a code to verify your account, and that is it. You will be brought to this home page. Okay, this is the home page. Okay, so because I already have a profile with Canva, I'm just going to log into my Canva account. Make sure you're following the same thing I'm doing. Okay, so let's look at each element. Okay, so while on this, we can see the different menu we have here. We have the create menu button, we have the home, we have the project, the templates, brand, Canva AI, and apps. Now we know AI is part of everything we do now, right? So even for the design, we can use we can prompt AI to design for us here, so we'll see that much more later. But for now, we are going to create an asset either from the scratch or we use templates. Okay, so first off, let's create. You click on the create button. To your left, you can see what I just did. Click on the create button and input keywords of what you want to design. Now, what do you want to design? Do you want to design a social media post? Do you want to what kind of social media? Is it Facebook cover? Is it Facebook post? Is it Instagram reels? Whatever it is you want to design, input it there. These are for your design here. You can actually input different designs. Look at it. You can input template designs or whatever you want. You can input elements. You can input texts. You can even upload videos and pictures and whatever it is. Here is brand. Now for this brand is basically for the premium users, where you tend to save your company's logo, your company's color, and other things that is related to your brand, but it's usually open to premium subscribers. I could use it now because I'm on a premium account. You can as well upload images, pictures, videos using this upload menu. Let's test each of these items. For elements, let's start with elements. Click on the element. It's going to open up this for you. That means you can input any kind of element. It could be shape, it could be object, it could be anything you want at all. All you just need to do is to search. So let's say we want to input perfume elements, bringing up so many things for us, so many items. You can see even someone spraying the video. We can see different videos. Now most of these we crown. If you're not on a premium plan, then you cannot use it. Okay, so let's take for example, we have a perfume business owner who wants to create content on perfumes that he or she is selling. We can choose anything here from these elements. Okay, we can choose a lot. We can decide to say no, I want a lavender. Did you see? We can decide to say no, I want frames. Since these ones are not available, we can decide to say no, you know what, I want shapes. Now all you just need to do is input the keyword here. I can decide to say, oh, I want bakery. I want a bakery element. If it's not there, then you can then move on. But as much as it is there, it will definitely come up. So look at it. Do you see? What you need to do to this element is just pick the item. You can either drag and drop. Do you see it? Arrow, you can minimize, you can adjust, you can reduce the breadth, you can reduce the height. And that is that about the elements. You can just look around, go around, check whatever you want to, check the elements and use anything. So let's go to the text. You can as well add text to your design. So let's say add heading like the name of your brand, and this is Tito Bakery. Enable you add text to your design. You can add subheading, you can add a little body of text, however you want it. Okay, the thing is you can also upload. Now, had it been for your brand, you already have the brand's color, your brand's logo. This is where you input them. But because I don't have that yet, that is why I don't have anything in the brand for now. So I'm going to move to the uploads. Upload means I can input anything into my design. So let's say I want to input this image to my design. Don't worry, that's me, but I can still input it to my design. Do you see that? If I want, I can input this. I can readjust it using the arrow. Do you see that? If I want, I can make it smaller, just here, whichever place I want to add it. I can do anything I want by adding pictures or videos. On upload, it's going to open up that section where you choose your picture from. Then you choose the picture you want. Once you choose the picture you want, it lands on your canvas. Once it lands on your canvas, you can also readjust or move it. Just all you just need to do is make sure you click on that image, then you move. You can always adjust your elements. Okay, the background of my design to change from black to red, all I just need to do is move up here, click on the background color, and once the option opens up, I can change the design to any color of my choice. You can as well animate it. So let's say Titi's bakery, a bakery that ignites. Okay, so let's take for instance, I want to animate. Animate means you want to add motion to your design. Yet it is very important for you to click on the text or the image or whatever element you want to edit. For your text, you can add any kind of font size. Look, I'm going to highlight what I want to change, what I want to edit. I want to change that to playwright modern. Yeah, this part shows you the font style you want to choose for your text. This part of the menu shows you the size of your text. What size do you want? This is where you change your text color. Once you highlight the text, don't forget you want to edit. Choose what you want to edit. Don't just go ahead and edit. You will not see what you're editing if you don't select. Change the text color. Now there is a rule of color. For every bright background, you need to have a dark color of text or image on it. Color from here. So if I want my background color, the rule of colors, some would put a white element on a white background, which is wrong. Every white element should have a dark background on it. So let's take for instance, we have a dark background like this. We want to change the color to a dark background like black. Do you see that the dark elements here, the dark text here is no more showing? To change the text to a bright color so it will show brighter on the dark background. So that is the rule of color. So we can change it to, do you see now that it's popping? Do you see that? We can make it bold. Make your text bold. Change the text to italics. That means it will be slightly bent. If you want, you can be in a list form. So if I input, now that I've set this to be in list form, if I click on enter, do you see there is a list already? It's making a list. The letter spacing and the lining spacing within your text, you can also do that here with this element. You can also animate it. I was mentioning animation the other time. Floating in, floating out. You can also, create this design to be more attractive using all this animation. Notice that the item is on the picture. If I don't want it to be on the picture, I want it to be behind the picture, all I need to do is click on position. Make sure you highlight whatever you want to edit. Click on the position. Look at it. Once you click on position, it will bring you to this menu. Then you click on forward or to the back. Way of starting your design from the scratch. See what we have. So this, I want to change the design image. It's looking too dark. I want to change it to something like this or something like this. Because so you save your work. It is very important. You can create a folder if you want. See, you can make a copy. You can download. You can save. You can input in a folder. Let me see. You can create new design, whatever it is you want. You can upload files. You can resize. You can do so many things on it. So I guess that is that. So let's move to the second aspect, which is designing with templates. Now if you look at it, you can search for millions of templates on Canva alone. Like, there are a lot of templates on it. Some people already design different templates for us to use. Whatever design, all you just need to do is make sure you input the keyword of whatever you want to design. Okay, still loading. Now look at it. We have this design. Once we choose this design, come to customize these templates. We've chosen this template already, so we click on customize these templates. To do is click on the image and pick the image you want to use and drop on it. Once you drag and drop, drag and drop, do you see automatically the image is fitted in there? The same thing with this text. You want to change it to wisdom. Once you highlight, don't forget, always highlight whatever you want to edit. It is very important. If you don't highlight it, it will not work. If you don't click on that particular tab you want to work on, it will not work. Do you understand now? So do you see the way I'm editing it? I already edited it. I'm moving already. So I'm going to highlight and I'm going to move. Do you see? I can to elements. You go to the elements. Don't forget what I taught you about elements. Go to your elements and search for balloon. Search for anything. You can search for wristwatch. You can search for anything you want. Let's say I'm using this candle. Do you see? Do you see that I changed already? So if I want, I can change anything I want. If I want, whatever it is, as long as you are designing, just design anything you want. It's going to change. I can decide to say, okay, I don't want celebration of life. I want to put happy birthday banner or song or background or cake. So it's even suggesting options for you. All you just need to do is click on it, and it's going to bring you graphics, audios, and cakes, anything you want. See? So I'm saying, okay, no, you know what? I want this one. So I want to have it here. Wherever you want to have it, you can impute it, whichever ways you want.